Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 2nd, 2024. I want to mention that this Friday is the first Friday of the month, so we have a speed test with all the puzzles. Yes, no comments, no instructions. Alright, in this additional we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cijferblok, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening, not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles, so it's a lot. Alright, first one, number 9370. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27. Yeah, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. 15, not 50, 15. But the publisher has indicated this with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see, the one in the third row, the one in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the one should be there. Then, let me see, the 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for 3 should be there. Then let me see, need an 8 here, need a 1 here, and I need need an 8 here, 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level 6 should be there. Need a 4 here or there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we need a 6 here also. Okay. We need a 6 here. Let me see. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Okay. 7, 9, and the 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level 3 should be there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 3. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Here came in 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here came in 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 5, 5, okay. Yeah. 7, 9, and the 4. 8, 8, okay. 7 and then 9. In the 6 here. In this row, the middle row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this row is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Here or there. In the middle row, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Then 9, 9 there, 9, 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 9, 2, 9, 7 and a 4. Then 4, 4, need a 4 here. 4 and a 8. Come on. 8, 9, and the 7. 7, 9, and the 4. 4, 4. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Right, need a 2 here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle. Well, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 5, 9, and the 7. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left. The 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Here, 2 numbers. Oh no. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square from the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left for in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 4, it should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for 4, it should be there. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 8. Okay. Here's 7 here. 7 and 9 neither. 7 and here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, no, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then 7 and then 9, okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. 7 and 9. 3. Need a 2 here, yeah. 2. 2. Got the 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2, could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 2, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9, let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 2 and the 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 numbers 7 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. 8, 7, 9, 1. I need a 1 here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, let me see. I'm stuck here. 8, 7, 9. Well, need 7 here, so you need 7 there. 7, 8, 9. 1 and a 9. How about the 9? Here. Oh, here's the 7 and the 9. Come on. How about the 8 then? No. How about the 4 then? 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for 4. Could be here, could be there. You need a 7 here. 2, 2, need a 2 there. Come on, here 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 9. So here we have a pair, the 7 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4, 8, and the 1 and the 2. Here, 4 missing numbers. The 4, 8, and 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 4 and an 8, but also a 1 here. So this box should be definitely a 2. Okay. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 now. So this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be a 9 then. Here, 1 box left in the last column for number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 7 and 9, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 in this row, so this can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 8. Yeah. 4, 8 and a 1. 1 and a 9. 7 on the 9. We have a 7 here, so this box should be a 9. So we have 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, third column, 8 in this first column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. And finally 2 numbers, 1 and a 9, we have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there, finishing 16 minutes. Wow. Hey, not faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.